Hello, my name is Sebastian Santiago, and this is my video for CSE 548 homework. Um, so for my assignment, I decided I wanted to study DOS attacks, denial of service attacks, and while doing research, I had found there are actually some very simple scripts that you can run that actually serve as a DOS attack, and these scripts are really small, and they can even be embedded into other types of code to then be run on machines remotely. Usually, this can be done by phishing uh, users. So here's a script right here. When I run it, you'll see that cmd.exe will keep continuously open until all the resources have been allocated. So there it goes. And now pretty soon here to start getting really slow. And I won't be able to do much. Can't do much here except restart the machine. So this could be distributed across many machines with a phishing email of some sort. Now the same script was run on this Ubuntu machine here. It was slightly different. But it's essentially the same script. So here we can run it. And you'll see, there we go, the terminals begin to open. And this will have a similar effect like the Windows machine. It'll just continuously happen until the computer is essentially unusable. You can't do any tasks that you would like to do. Because it just continuously uses all the resources. So these were some simple ones. Let me go ahead and restart that. There was also another one on the Windows which was called. So you can see the script here is literally 3 lines where start run cmd, and then we just have a loop where it goes back to 1, where 1 is labeled up here. So it just loops through here, and you see how simple the script is. It can be embedded anywhere, and this script can be adapted to any needs of the attacker. It could open up any application. It can run. It can steal data before running the DOS attack, and then shut down your computer so you don't even know who the attacker was. There are many ways the script can be used as DOS and as other forms of hacking. Exploit on Kali. It was under Metasploit. This here was uh, a SYN flooding of port 80 for TCP, so the SYN packet for TCP. Opened up Metasploit, and then I went in to use auxiliary, DOS, TCP, SYN flood. So this will flood port 80 right here with SYN packets. Now I have to set the host. So let's run set our host to the Ubuntu machine. And then we're going to exploit. And then make sure. So here's the Ubuntu machine. So we run exploit, and now the Ubuntu machine is getting flooded with SYN packets. That should leave me unable to access the internet. So you see here I'm having a hard time connecting to anything. This is because port 80 is constantly getting flooded with SYN packets trying to connect over TCP, but this isn't allowing the actual connection that I want to use, which is my Mozilla Firefox, to connect over port 80. These were just some simple DOS attacks that I learned about over the course of this homework assignment, and that is it. Thank you.